Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by ensuring Python 3. 8+ and pip are available, then create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Once done, install a simple HTTP client like requests or HTTPX so you can make calls. Make sure to choose one client and keep your requirements. TXT updated. That keeps reproducibility. Now open your editor and create a new file for the script, because the next steps will show concrete code and how to authenticate and parse responses. You will implement the core request. Pick the proper HTTP method get-post, then add headers including authorization and content type. Once done, construct query parameters or JSON body according to the API spec and include timeout. Then send the request with requests. Get /post or HTTPX and inspect response. Status code, if 200 parse response. JSON, make sure to wrap calls in try/, except to catch network errors. You will finish by validating and consuming the response. Check that expected keys exist and that types match, then map the data into your application objects or save the JSON to a file or database. Once done, add clear logging around request and response payloads so you can reproduce issues. If something goes wrong, make sure to log status codes and raw body. That single troubleshooting tip, inspect the raw response, usually reveals auth, schema, or rate limit problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.